Hi, I'm Chris, and in this video I'm going to show you how to use In the Beginning. So this is a deep cleansing balm, and it's also known as a hand blended facial in a jar. These are all handmade in small batches, and this is my go-to cleanser. I use it every morning. So I'm going to show you how much you need or how little you need. So you just need like a little pea-size amount. And you're going to warm it in your hands and smell how amazing it smells. And then you just place it, and then we're going to use small circular motions to cleanse, so we're going to work from the neck up. So this is suitable for all skin types. It helps to rejuvenate and brighten your skin, leaving it feel deeply cleansed and looking fresh and radiant. So you can remove this with a hot face cloth, or you can just jump into the shower and rinse it off. And if you'd like to buy this or any other Temple Spa product, you can just click the link in the description below the video.